How to fix muted video on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix muted video on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TikTok just like I have done. Normally videos get muted when the audio you used is copyrighted or when you don't have the rights to the audio. After that, you need to simply check for copyright notifications. For that, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then on this section, you simply need to look for the messages or notification or look for the system notifications option. Here you will see all notification from TikTok including copyright issues related to your video. If you see a notification about copyrighted audio, that's likely why your video was muted. If you didn't find a copyright issue in your inbox, you can easily tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap menu icon at top right and select settings and privacy. Once done, you need to scroll down and then tap report a problem. Then select chat with us button at bottom of your screen. Once you reach on customer support page, you simply need to provide the feedback about muted video issues on TikTok and then send it to TikTok. You need to wait for a TikTok response and give TikTok some time to review your request. They will respond with a solution to help resolve the issue. So that is how to fix a muted video on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.